I want you to be a strong man, a dominant man, a formidable force, and to do so, there are certain habits you have to implement on the daily to reach that full potential, both physically, mentally, and emotionally. And the most important one is stepping into the gym. And not just for the muscles. The muscles is the superficial part everyone can see, and that you'll see it will make you feel good, but more so for the discipline. The discipline to learn how to do the hard things that you know you don't want to do, but need to do because they're good for you. Number 2, have a regime. Have some sort of grooming routine, something that you implement on a daily basis and never deviate from it. And not for the superficial part. Not for because you're going to look confident and also look attractive. Yeah, those are great. That's what everybody sees, what you'll see and what will make you feel good. But also for the discipline. The discipline to have structure in your life. Structure gives you control. You do not understand that as a man, to really be strong is to have a structured routine. So when you have your skincare, when you have your shower routine, when you have your grooming routine, that's something that you stick to daily. And yes, again, the superficial, you'll see, you'll grow, you'll feed from it. But what really will build you up, what really will give you that internal strength is that discipline of a routine, that discipline of structure. And look, I want you to use some of the best products in the game, and for that, obviously, Heat Grooming has you covered. But not only that, bro, I want you to use products that make you smell and feel the best. And you already know our shower bundle does that. We have a shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. We use oils from France so it smells like a high-end fragrance. We use the best ingredients in the world so your skin looks flawless. But we're not even done, bro. We're almost sold out of that set. We're sold out. We ordered millions of that in inventory. You should have seen the warehouse. It's almost gone. For this year, we're changing the game. See, for this year, this is not for everyone, but for the men that are subscribed to our shower bundle, it's a few thousand of them, and I want you to subscribe today because once you're subscribed, you're grandfathered in on that price. And every single month, here on out, starting in April, we're dropping a new bundle. New shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. New scent, new functionality, new ingredients. That way, every single month when you shower, I can make your routine a little bit more enjoyable, a little bit more sporadic, something a little fresh. So every time you step out the shower, you still look amazing, you still follow your structure, but something's different. And that gets you excited to keep doing it and keep doing it. And I'm not even gonna stop there. Yo, this April bundle that we're about to drop, we're dropping it in partnership with Billy. You've seen her across Instagram, YouTube, probably even TikTok, giving you advice. She's helping us put together the scent correctly, put together the ingredients to make sure it benefits men. And together we're designing it to make sure I'm giving you the highest level of functionality. And here's the crazy part. It's gonna be limited. So every month, when that thing sells out, it's gone. Nobody else will ever get that bundle again. So you'll never be able to get your hands on that bundle. And if you're subscribed, you get first dips. If it sells out, it's gone. And that's why I want you to subscribe. If you guys click the link down below and subscribe to our current shower bundle, not only are you gonna get it at a crazy price, I'm also gonna gift you our silicone body scrubber. That's $60 to help exfoliate the body. Our facial silicone scrubber, again, that's another $40 to help exfoliate the face. And also our silicone organizing set so you can keep everything organized and structured, looking super clean in your bathroom. I'm gonna gift you that too. All three things, it's basically, bro, I'm basically gifting you more than the cost of the shower bundle. That's an absolute steal and the perfect time to subscribe because I'm telling you, you ain't gonna wanna miss this. What we're about to do with Heat Grooming, bro, every single month, yo, I'm gonna revolutionize your shower game. 3, pick a combat sport. Not only for the security and the confidence of knowing you can defend yourself if you need to, but more so for the discipline of self-control because emotion should not control you. And the most powerful, strongest position you can have in a confrontation is having the emotional self-control to walk away. Number 4, do something that you suck at. For me, I've always known in my life, I hate running. I absolutely suck at it. For me, a mile was long distance. Like, the last time I ran a mile was probably in high school. And before that, 3 miles to me, you might as well just tell me you're running a marathon at that point. 3 miles was like ludicrous to me. I picked up running less than a year ago. I've been running for about 8 months now. Now I'm doing 15-mile runs at an 8-minute pace. And 2-3 miles is a joke to me. Now I get excited to go running because I'm getting better at it. I'm getting faster, so now I can't wait for my next run. The point is, you do something you suck at, not because you're gonna get good at it, but for the discipline to face the things that you hate, knowing it won't be easy. Because you wanna know what? Life isn't easy. And those men that aren't scared to go against the comfortable path, they're strong. Number 5, go no fap for a month, because that porn usage of yours is crazy, bro. Like, I can't even imagine the minutes and hours you're spending on that thing. But more so, for the discipline of self-control. You have to understand, self-control over lust is a man's weakest area. Out of all your weaknesses, I would say lust is all of our weaknesses. If you can be strong here, you'll be strong in anything. Finally, number 6, wake up early. And again, this isn't just for the superficial, oh, you get a few extra hours in the day, yada, yada. No. This is for the total mind control that you will exhibit over your body. That level of discipline is power. And if you notice, all 7 habits that I talked about today, they have superficial benefits, right? On the surface level, you'll get jacked, you'll smell great. On surface level, they are amazing. But what truly makes you strong is beneath that. And the discipline that you build in all those avenues, that's how you become strong.